flips the script on this idea that everything we do online has to be directly linked back to us, that it leaves a trail. Human proxies introduce uncertainty, a blur in the system that we haven't really seen before.
It makes you wonder, in a world where anyone can be a proxy, what does it even mean to send a message anymore? How does that change how we understand online communication?
And here's where it gets really wild. UniNerf doesn't stop at just one layer of proxies. They introduce this concept of proxying proxy data, basically creating a whole chain of proxies, each one adding another layer of obfuscation.
Wait, so you're saying my human proxy could have their own human
Yeah.
proxy and so on, like a chain of secret digital handshakes.
Exactly. UniNerf uses this great analogy of inner envelopes. Each proxy is like adding another layer of encryption, another envelope. Like peeling an onion, every layer just reveals another layer, making it practically impossible to trace back to the origin.
Wow, a digital maze designed to confuse anyone snooping around. But wouldn't that slow things down? With all those layers, how would messages even get through?
That's where the design of the Echo protocol and Spot-on's network is so brilliant. Remember, we're not physically handing off messages here. It all happens digitally, echoing across the network, decrypting only for the intended recipient.
So even with multiple proxies, I could theoretically send a message just as fast as I do now.
Theoretically, yeah. Like with any new tech, there are going to be bumps in the road. UniNerf acknowledges that. But their vision, this kind of proxying could be used for everything. Not just messages, but files, photos, even our online activity.
It's like we're talking about a whole new way of thinking about digital privacy, moving away from just building stronger walls to building a system that's more fluid, more adaptable.
Exactly. One that's built on trust, on anonymity, on the power of human connection. Makes you rethink how we interact in the digital world, doesn't it?
It really does. It's like we're on the edge of something massive here, something that could fundamentally change how we communicate online.
Ah,
But it also comes with a whole new set of questions, right?
yeah.
Like if anyone can be a proxy, how do we define responsibility? How do our digital identities even work in that kind of world?
Those are the questions UniNerf wants us to grapple with.
It's like we've entered a whole new dimension of what digital privacy even is.
And the best part is UniNerf says this is just the beginning. They see human proxies as the foundation for something even bigger.
Bigger than changing how we think about online messages. Now I'm really intrigued.